welcome Rinaldi Del.
Thank you very much. I am a chairman of the research group Energy Transition in the University of Indonesia. The main problem of the net zero emission is changing fossil to renewable energy. And net zero emission can only be achieved if the fossil energy replaced by renewable energy. We divided three phases. The development of energy. Phase one, we have the problem now about the emission. And I call that power system is the integrated power system. And phase two, we call it the transition energy period. And the last one, net zero emission. The growth of the renewable energy is double, even triple, after 2050. The main factor concept for energy transition is, one is the fossil energy potential owned by each country. The second, current emission level in each country, energy technology owned by the country, purchasing power of its people, geographical condition of the country, long-term energy policy in that country, and the last one is very important, the ability to predict the condition of world energy governance after achieving net zero emission, which will affect to each country. Of course, it's going to be different in each country because the first 6 factors different. There are 2 scenarios how a power system is going to be. The first one, integrated power producers is like today, and we connect renewable energy power plant in that system. So the power system is getting bigger. And the second one, we call it individual power producer, where each individual will produce electricity for their own need, with the DC system that each stand alone, meaning that the power system is getting smaller. And we believe that the second scenario is going to happen after net zero emission era. This is an individual power producer. We are going to produce our own energy need. We are going to charge our car in our house, meaning that all the energy need for individual will be produced by own. We produce electricity with the rooftop and in DC. Rooftop is negative load, meaning that the electricity from the grids is going to be reduced. If all of us produce energy from rooftop, that amount of energy we produce will reduce the need of energy from the system. If that way we implement the renewable energy, so financial for net zero emission is not as big as the way we are thinking today. I think that's all my presentation, and thank you very much.
I would like now to introduce the signing of our second MOU. This is between the Institute of Electrical Engineering of the Chinese Academy of Sciences and the University of Indonesia. And with that, I would like to welcome Rinaldi Del. So this is another significant signing of an MOU. The MOU will include elements of joint research, including areas on power systems, renewable energy,